Styled text object is a feature that's following the same kind of progression. I think it's earlier in the process,
Yeah.
but we're continually improving the styled text object. In particular, we have a new feature in v14. I thought I had a slide. I don't. We have a new feature. Oh, yeah, sorry. Got it. New feature in v14, which is support for expressions. And we'll take a look at what I mean by expressions with the styled text object.
With a demo.
Yeah. So this dialog here is contact information for one of my contacts, and I want to send him an email.
And this is the relevant application?
Yes. This is built on the relevant application using their data. I have an email composition dialog here. The big white area is a styled text object. Now, the first thing is, given that this is a database, I don't want to type the email, so let's use a template. So we have a template here of the email that we'll send to this person. The second thing is, because this is a database, I don't want to type in his name.
No, the name comes from the database.
I don't want
what the database is for.
Type in his company. I don't even want to type in my name if I can avoid it.
Well, you're just lazy, I think.
So with support for expressions in v14, we'll go ahead and turn on the expression view. What we have is the ability to put any 4D expression inside our styled text object. So for example, we have a few field references. We have an interprocess variable reference. So of course, we have the ability to insert data into a styled text object. So we'll go ahead and add another expression. We'll add, let's say, the current date to the top of this email.
Current date's nice, because then the email's never late, right?
We'll turn off the expression view, which is just a 4D command to switch between. And there's the date. And there's one last piece, which is the ability to insert a URL. So we'll go ahead and make the company line down there at the bottom be a URL. And now, before Ad actually finishes inserting it, one thing I want to point out, the first expression we inserted, we used a button on this form. Mm-hmm. This second expression, he actually right-clicked and popped up a menu. So the support for the on-click event is also new to the styled text object in v14. So we'll right-click, we'll go ahead and insert a URL, put in the address of the website. And the point is, the URL behaves as you would expect, in the sense that it's blue and you can click on it and that kind of a thing.
Right.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you.
Let's go ahead. So the styled text object, I think, continues this, is an example of this way we evolve features. What's actually happening behind the scenes is we're working on a new text engine internally at 4D, and we're surfacing some of those features to the styled text object. So st insert expression is the command that you use to add expressions, of course. There's st insert URL and support for the on-click event. Just an FYI, if you've used the styled text object in the past, all of the methods are now prefixed with st, so it's easier to find the different methods that are available.
Keeps the theme together. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Great.
Okay.